Hello everyone, my name is Amshu. Today I'm going to present my dental AI analysis project, which is my capstone project, and which classifies X-ray images based on the 4 classes that I've given, that is wisdom tooth, damage, infection, and cavities. And we use deep learning operations to classify these images because it will be difficult to do so through treatment that they do in the basic clinic. So it gives more clarity in the image classification. So now I'll go through my ML model. First, I've mounted my drive so it can access my dataset, and then I check my path which has test, valid, and train. And after that, I'm checking my class distribution to check if all the classes are distributed properly, so it won't lead to class imbalance. And after that, I've imported the model. The model I'm using is TensorFlow Keras for deep learning operations and image pre-processing. And I'm using EfficientNet, which is my CNN model. And after that, I'm applying my data augmentation, which allows for different variations through rotation, zooming, or shifting. So it gives more variation, and which will won't lead to overfitting later. And after that, using flow from directory, I resize images to 2 to 4 into 2 to 4. And yeah, after I do class mapping, that is, I convert my class name labeling into numerical labels so computer can understand. Uh, After that, here I freeze my EfficientNet layer so it can train on my dental dataset image layers. Yeah, I compile my model through Adam Weight Optimizer, which updates weights if there's any error. I gave checkpoint as my drive, so model will save after it's trained. I'm training my model with 20 epochs, and I got accuracy around 70%. And this is testing. Yeah, I got test accuracy is also around 70%. And this is my classification report, which has precision, recall, F1 score, and even there around 70%. And this is my confusion matrix. So how good the classes are classified without getting confused with other classes. And this is my ROC curve. As you can see, wisdom is more near to 1. That means it is better at classifying than cavities because it's around 0.8. And then after that, I gave test images by myself and predicted the result. It gave the result. So we can see here damage and confidence levels, wisdom, all of this. And yeah, this is about my model. And then, so this is how I did backend and frontend using VS Code. Backend I did using Fast API. Before that, I've loaded the models that I saved from Google Colab, and interface design, everything I did through here. And so I'm running my front end through Vite and backend UbiCon, and I'll give the demo of my model now. Yeah, it predicted it as infection, and it gives class probability breakdown. It also tells what would be the next step to consult a we can also download report from whatever we got. This is how the report looks like, and we can also ask questions to chatbot here, like what does this result mean, anything. Yeah, it will give results. Based on the results, it's giving. Okay, so it says it's important to consult the doctor anyway after that, because it's only predicted by the AI.